How to watch Sec Plus on YouTube TV. So if you want to know that YouTube TV has Sec Network Plus or not, then what you need to do is first you'll need to create a YouTube TV account and buy a subscription, or you can try a free subscription for first 3 months. After that, you have to buy the subscription. You'll need to log into your YouTube TV and search for the Sec network. Sec is the network for Sec Plus and Sec Now. After you'll find the Sec network, you'll need to click on the Sec Plus network and you'll be able to watch the Sec Plus on your YouTube TV. So in order to watch that, you'll need to have the subscription on your YouTube TV. And once you have the subscription, just search for Sec Plus and you'll be able to watch the Sec Plus network. So that's how you can watch Sec Plus on your YouTube TV. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.